We have a culture of open minds, and we have an unrivaled history of innovation in motors and controls. Well, what we start with is the customer and what they have requested, but often we find there's actually other ways and better ways of giving the customer what they actually need. That's why we look further than the customer specifications when we start a project. We're not bound by traditional design methods, and we look for better ways of achieving solutions to what they want. It's about improving our customers' competitive advantage.
We pioneered the development of direct drive motor technology with laundry applications, which gives us unrivaled experience with it. Today, companies actually come to us to access our application knowledge and to improve their own products. We integrate our motor and control into many different applications, and we always try to add value in the form of noise improvements, reliability, cost, or functionality.
Our whole focus in magnetic design has been optimization to deliver high efficiency, low noise, smaller size, and make the best use of the active materials in our motor design.
The patented stator design allowed us to design thin, quiet motors which reach high speed with low vibration.
The field-oriented control allows us to precisely control the speed and the torque of the motor. The controller is constantly sensing the main parameters of the motor. We use the feedback from the motor to add smart features to our products in many different applications. We have many years of experience in this area. We have practiced this technology for over 30 years to the point it is now, with unique features and attested reliability. No matter what the inquiry, what I love about Fisher Paykel is our integrated approach to solutions. It's because we work together, we can design optimal solutions for our customers year after year.